We are here today with the cutest girl on the planet, Collie, and we are going to show you how to do cute mermaid curls. She already had little beachy waves in, but now we're going to curl it a little tighter. So we have it about a 1/2 inch curling iron, and we're just going to roll it up and then take it out. But we want it to be really bouncy, and we want it to be like super mermaid curls. So we're just taking tiny sections, and it kind of takes a little bit. So like I usually have, maybe if you could get someone to help you. By chance?
Phone a friend.
By some crazy chance. But, or you could just take smaller sections like up top, so the front looks real good. And
you
then
can cheat your way around.
Yes. But you want them to be, you want them to stay in really good and cool off before you like run your fingers through it or anything, because we want it to be really bouncy curly. Collie, tell us about yourself. What's your favorite thing to do, Collie? Do you love to play Barbies? She's a little camera shy. She doesn't like the camera guy. So we're just gonna keep curling it back and just taking small sections. And again, just you want to get a good curling iron that's about a 1/2 inch to a 1/4 inch, or 3/4 even is fine. Just so it gets really springy and bouncy. You want her to basically look like a movie star. Ooh. Collie, do you have a dog? You have a dog like Cody, like a poodle, right? Doesn't it look like Cody? Like, isn't it like a toy poodle?
No, it's Bougie.
Oh, it's Bougie.
Is that your puppy's name?
Oh,
What color is he?
Is he like orangish color?
No, she's brown.
Oh.
And she's a girl.
Oh, she's a girl. And her name's Bougie. Is she Bougie? Do you know what that means?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna just take a little bit of texture spray. Nothing crazy, but just spray a little so the curls will hold and they'll get a little fluff. And there you have it. Some cute mermaid curls. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget 1 thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below. Okay, so the video guy is locked in the closet, right, Collie? Because Collie wanted him to go in the closet, so he wasn't out here when she was modeling. So now, should we lock him in? Okay, here, watch. Push this button, the lock button. Push it. Right there. Oh my gosh! Sorry, Christian, she wanted to lock you in. Should we let her out? No, she said no.